You remember the area 2 days ago, like we tried to catch the fish?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, this is the area.
Mm.
Highway 60.
Yeah.
And the left side, you're gonna see like two rivers come down. You wanna? Okay, we can visit the island too,
Uh-huh.
right?
Yes.
And then continue. Okay. This is the island, Mebu. This is the island.
Here?
No, like the area is like calling island.
Ah, okay.
There's more campground they have.
Mm-hmm. Mm. Wow.
Peaceful, right?
Yeah.
Love it?
Love it.
Bravo.
Wow.
You see the group of tea here in the middle, front of us, like 300 meters above. It's like clock 1 p.m. side. Clock 1 p.m.
1 p.m.?
No, the 1 p.m. side, the clock. No, you misunderstood.
Hmm?
Okay. This is a face, is a 12. This is 1, 2, 3, 4,
Oh.
5.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Mm-hmm.
You got it?
I got it.
Yeah, is a 12 position.
Mm-hmm.
It's like lake of two rivers. Now 12 position is like with the trees. This is an island, like small island.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, tell him to GoPro stop recording.
Stop recording.
No, you should call GoPro.
GoPro stop recording.
Recording, say recording.
Re?
Yeah, stop recording.
GoPro stop recording.
GoPro, stop recording.